If you run a local business and you're looking to get found on Google and you just can't seem to find your way, can't seem to get ranked, can't seem to get any customers into your business through your Google business profile, then you need to follow along on this series right here on YouTube as we take proactive heating and cooling in Claremore, Oklahoma. Take them from not even having a Google business profile to being dominant in their local area. So if this is something that you would want to do for your business, we're going to show you exactly step by step everything that we do right here at Upward Bound Media, what we're going to do for proactive heating and cooling. And we're going to show you everything. So you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You better go ahead and keep up and start doing this for your business, because you'll see the power as we go along. All right, so here we have pulled up, we've got proactive heating and cooling. We are basically not online at all. We do have a website set up. We do have I've already got some backlinks going. So we've gone to things like Nextdoor, MapQuest, et cetera, et cetera. And we have added, and we'll go through a portion of this, but we have added several citations is what they're called. And this was to try to get his business just verified in the first place. So if your business is already verified, if you're starting right here, if this is where you're at, you just need to go from being verified to actually being seen. This is where we're starting. If you are currently suspended, go back. We just had a video where we got this same proactive heating and cooling out of suspension. And then we have another video. If you were stuck on your video verification section, go back. We do have another section that we do have another video that has the exact step-by-step process of what you need to do and what he did to get through video verification. All right. But from here, what we're starting with is we're starting basically fresh scratch. We don't have anything. Okay. There needs to be a few things that we point out. So one of the things that we need to know is there are certain things that you do that can potentially cause you to have a Google suspension. And so first and foremost, before you do anything, you need to know what not to do. So do not change your business name. Do not change your business address. Do not change your phone number, and do not change your website. Now, you can change things on your website, but the actual location, those should not be changed. Now, if you do need to change it, it is perfectly fine. You can go through there, say you get a new phone number, you can update the phone number, and then it might suspend you, it might not. If you change your name or if you change your address, you will be suspended. You will immediately be kicked out and you will not be seen on Google anymore. So when you go to do these things, we need to think about this first. We're not going to go over that right here. If you are looking to change any of this information, just make sure that you have all the legal documentation already in place and make sure that you actually want to make this switch. Okay. Because you will get suspended and you will need to re-verify basically. But if you have everything already in place, your profile might only be down for a month or two. So it's always hard to tell. You might not even be able to get it back. So it's Google's a bitch currently. So just a heads up. All right. But anyway, so just to jump right on in, we're not going to go too awful crazy because we don't want to cause Google to freak out. We don't want to cause Google to accidentally suspend us for some reason. So one of the things that we're going to just immediately do right out of the gate is we need to add as many images as we can. So we've got just a few images in here. Every day we're going to start adding additional images. Okay. I'm not going to show every time that we add images, but what I prefer is just adding square images. So you come in here and you just literally click add photos. You go find your photos. Okay. So that's pretty much all that is. I'm not even going to explain it any further. I do recommend that you go ahead and record some videos while you're out there. Go ahead and record videos because if you have like a 30-second video that you put in here, it's something that keeps people on your profile that much longer. And that always signals to Google good things and it always helps you rank. So the more stuff that you can fill into your profile, the better it literally is for your rankings because the more crap that people can spend time looking at on your profile, which time spent on your profile, time spent on your website, etc., all signifies good things when it comes to Google. Right out of the gate, we have already set up a business description here. The business description, what we were shooting for him, we will actually be changing this, but our main goal is to start ranking in Claremore. After that, we're going to be shooting for Illegal. So we will change some of this stuff. We will do as many updates as possible. We recommend that you post updates. Doing a good looking update like this one is recommended, but literally, if you could just post a picture that is in landscape mode and then throw out some good, keywords inside the description there, just post it. You can post, you can post updates daily if you would like. We don't do it. It doesn't have a great impact, and there are other things that we can spend our time and efforts on that have a better impact. But if you're already out there taking images, you're already out there doing that, it is good to go ahead and get some of those keywords, especially if we're starting from scratch. Okay. Reviews will be a major component with what we do. So we're going to, during this process, we're actually going to build out a review getting automation. And I'll show you that. This guy is relatively new, so he doesn't have a very big customer base, but we do need to have it set up so when he's running calls, we're automatically getting new reviews coming in. Okay, that is just part of the process. So just to give you kind of a heads up, we just got this business ranked, right? And so right here is what we just ran. This is a report for if somebody ran a search in his area, what rank would his business be? And he is currently not ranked on anything except for heating and cooling company. He's in the top. He's ranked 30th, and that is it out of like 100 keywords. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. Basically, all I'm trying to illustrate here is he is literally not showing up anywhere. You run a search, you can be on his front porch, and he is not showing up. This is a local SEO grid, which illustrates he is not even on Google at the current moment. Okay. So that's going to do it for now. So this is just basically an overview, a startup, showing you kind of where we're beginning. We're beginning with 0 reviews currently, with 0 online presence. We're literally not online. As you just saw, we ran a search for AC repair, and that was the local search grid there. We are literally not showing up anywhere online whatsoever. And from here, we're going to be showing you exactly step by step what we're going to do. First things first is we're going to just start a daily regimen of uploading images, okay? And perhaps a few videos, very, very short 30-second videos, okay? So 30-second video clips that just showcase some of our work. So we'll, as we're running calls, every condenser that you come up to, every furnace that you come up to, what have you, whatever you're working on, whatever season you happen to be in, while you're there, snap a quick picture and go ahead and just upload it directly to Google while you're on site. Does it give Google a big boost because you're on the location? No, but could it? I mean, there's a possibility there, and then you're going to get the review from the customer at that same spot. Like, you need to be adding pictures. These pictures, they tell your they, for one, they keep your customer's attention when a potential customer comes onto your profile, right? And the longer somebody stays on your profile, the more quality content that Google believes is actually on your profile. And so what it does is it'll actually boost you up, move you to a higher tier. And then if you're continually getting longer views, if people are lingering on your profile longer than they are on your competitors, then naturally you'll just move right up to the top. So the cream always rises to the top. And this is how you show that you deserve to rise to the top is you add as many images as you can. And it's freaking easy. I mean, be honest with yourself. You're literally at the unit already. Hell, you might be waiting 20 minutes for the refrigerant to freaking stabilize. And what are you doing? Sitting on a jug of 410A or something? Like, on Facebook, take a picture of the unit, even if just for your own records. Take a picture of the unit, upload it to your Google Business profile, go about your day. All it did was possibly might have got you a customer in the future. I think it might be worth it. All right. So, anyways, I hope you follow along. Make sure that you subscribe because if you miss these, well, I'm sorry. I am giving you the juice. I am giving you what people pay us good money to do for them. I am showing you step by step everything that it takes to take your business from this right here, not being seen, literally zero online exposure. And I'll show you exactly what can happen with a little consistent effort and a little know how. And you'll know exactly how. Follow along. We'll be back to the next episode real soon.